It's an odd way to look at it, but you could almost look at Mobile Care Manager as sort of your data aggregator or your data warehouse for your patient. Because if you have everything connecting into that service so that the patient is well informed, it's providing a single source of truth, and that's obviously the patient and physician benefit. But specifically for brands, I think it's going to give them more leverage to find the best in class for each one of those silos and stop worrying about how are we going to make all the communication work. There was a trend for a while that all of these different service providers that help in parts of the journey were sort of popping up. Brands were contracting with these individuals, but it got very, very difficult to sort of tie it all together. So data aggregators started popping up, and we'll kind of tie this journey all together for you. I don't think there's anyone in this space that can say they are best in class in every single one of these categories: clinical education, copay, access services, field reimbursement support, things like that, billing and coding support. And so I think what this could open up from a brand standpoint is the ability to say, I want to create the best in class solution for my patients, my providers, by choosing the best in class individual vendor service providers, whatever word you want to use, to support each part of the journey. And I can feel confident that it's all tying together in a seamless communication package for the patient because it's all feeding back into this mobile platform. And oh, by the way, the back end piece of all of the data that a data aggregator used to handle, and they'll still be involved. I think, they'll sort of get the download of the data, but all that data is also now flowing into one single source because that's how you need to get the platform to run.